here I'm going to look at solving another inequality. So we want to get x by itself. Same steps we would do if it was an equal sign. Sometimes it helps to just kind of visually separate the left and right hand side for yourself. So if I do something like add 9 on the right, I have to add 9 on the left. So I end up with 34. Notice these are opposite signs, so it's like 34 minus 9, but I know my answer is going to be negative. So I end up with negative 25 greater than negative 5x. Now on both sides, I have to divide by negative 5. So here's where this should raise a little red flag. Notice I'm dividing, the step I'm choosing to do is dividing by a negative number. If I multiply or divide by a negative, I have to change the direction of my sign. So I like to do that first, so I'm sure that I did it. So I can see it opens this way currently. So I now need it to open this way. And so now I can say negative 5 divided by negative 5 just leaves me x. And the negatives over here cancel, so I'm just left with 5. And so notice this says 5 is less than x. If you want to write your same answer in terms of x, you just need it to open in the same direction. So notice if we're thinking alligator mouth, it opens towards the x. So we're saying x is the bigger value. So if you want to write it with the x first, to have the same meaning, it needs to open the same way. So saying 5 is smaller than x is the same as saying x is bigger than 5. So if you switch it around, make sure that you keep the opening in the same direction. That's what matters.